Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Mahdi English School. I'm your teacher, Khushbu Dharani, taking grammar and English. So, today we will learn grammar chapter number 4. But before starting chapter number 4, I would like to tell you about previous chapters. So, in grammar, chapter number 1 is kind of sentences. Chapter number 2, subject and predicate. Chapter number 3, nouns. So, in nouns, many types of nouns we have learned. Let me tell you what is the noun, the definition of a noun. Noun means a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, today we will learn about gender nouns. So, let's start. Total 4 types of gender nouns. How many types? 4. 4 types of gender nouns. Number 1 is masculine gender. Number 1 is masculine gender. Number 2 is feminine gender. Number 2 is feminine gender. Number 3 is common gender. Number 3 is common gender. And number 4 is neuter gender. So, my dear students, in this session, in this chapter, we will learn about these 4 types of gender, which are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So, let's move to the next slide. Next is, this is the picture of your textbook. This is the picture of your textbook. See, chapter number 4, gender. Chapter number 4, gender. Now, let's go through textbook wise. Masculine gender. So, what is the masculine gender? Masculine gender names male people or animals. Masculine gender names male people or animals. For example, father, tiger, peacock, boy. For example, father, tiger, peacock, or boy. Then, feminine gender. So, what is the feminine gender? Feminine gender names female people or animals. Feminine gender names female people or animals. For example, mother, tigeress, peahen, girl. Now, let's move to the common gender. Common gender names both male and female people and animals. Common gender names both male and female people and animals. For example, friend, teacher, parent, guest. Friend, teacher, parent, guest. Now, let's move to the neuter gender. Neuter gender names non-living things. For example, chair, college, park, radio. Neuter gender names non-living things. For example, chair, college, park, radio. Now, let me explain you. There are 4 genders. Masculine gender. Masculine gender names male people or animals. Means all the male animals or peoples comes in the masculine gender. See, here examples are given. Father, tiger, peacock, boy. Then feminine gender. Feminine gender names female people or animals. For example, mother, tigeress, peahen, girl. common gender names both male and female people and animals. For example, friend, teacher, parent, guest. Common gender names both male and female. For example, friend. So, friend can be a girl or a boy also, right? Teacher. Teacher can be a boy or a girl also. You are also studying with a sir or with a miss, right? So, that is called common gender. Then parent. Parent means a mother or a father, male or female. Then guest. Guest can be also a boy or a girl, male or a female. So, when we are talking about both male and female, it comes under common gender. When we are talking about both male and female, it comes under common gender. Then neuter gender. Neuter gender names non-living things. For example, chair, college, park, radio. All the non-living things comes under neuter gender. For example, right now I am using computer, mouse, book, phone. That all things comes under neuter gender. You are watching a TV, writing in your book. So book, pencil, TV, all the things comes under a neuter gender. So I hope you all understood what is the gender and types of gender. So let me show you some pictures. Here are some pictures. This is the picture of a peacock. Peacock means male bird. So peacock comes under masculine gender. Peacock comes under masculine gender, right? Then this is the picture of a peahen. This is the picture of a peahen. Peahen comes in a feminine gender. Peahen comes in a feminine gender. Let me show you again. Peacock. Peacock is a masculine gender like a boy. Boy is a masculine gender and girl is a feminine gender, right? So male peacock comes under masculine gender. And then female peacock means peahen. It is called peahen. Peahen comes under feminine gender. Okay, let me show you one more picture. This is a picture of a tiger. This is the picture of a tiger. So, tiger comes under masculine gender. Tiger comes under masculine gender, and this is the picture of a tigress. Female tiger. This is the picture of a tigress, a female tiger. So, this comes under feminine gender. This comes under feminine gender. Okay. So, let's move to the next slide. Gender of nouns. Let's see again. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. A common gender classification includes masculine and feminine categories. Means main two categories are there of gender, that is masculine and feminine. That is masculine and feminine. Masculine nouns are words for man, boys and male animals. Masculine nouns are words for man, boys and male animals. And feminine nouns are words for women, girls and female animals. Let's see that again. Grammatical gender is a system of a noun classification. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. A common gender classification includes masculine and feminine categories. main two categories, that is masculine and feminine. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. What is the masculine nouns? Let's read again. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. Here you can see, this is the masculine and this is feminine. A boy is a masculine gender, girl is a feminine gender. So, here the description is given with examples. Description of masculine and feminine. So, easily you can identify the difference. Refers to names of boys and men. Masculine gender refers to names of boys and men. Then, feminine gender refers to names of girls and women. Refers to names of girls and women. So, number 1 is father. Masculine gender, father. So, what is the feminine gender? Mother. Father is a masculine gender. Mother is a feminine gender. Then rooster. Rooster is a masculine gender. Hen is a feminine gender. Rooster is a masculine gender. Hen is a feminine gender. Same like that, all the genders are given here. Son, priest, uncle, host, king, hero. Let's read all the masculine gender here. Father, son, priest, uncle, rooster, host, king, hero. Now let's move to the feminine gender. Feminine refers to names of girls and women. Aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece. Let's repeat it again. Feminine gender refers to names of girls and women. Aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, and niece. So this is the difference between masculine gender and feminine gender. Let me tell you the definition again. Masculine refers to names of boys and men. Which things masculine refer? Masculine refers to names of boys and men. And what things feminine refers? Feminine refers to names of girls and women. So let me show you some examples. See here. Masculine means he and feminine means she. Masculine means he, feminine means she. See, boy. So, boy is a masculine gender. Which gender? Boy is a masculine gender. Then girl. Girl is a feminine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. Then here, grandfather. Grandfather. Grandfather is a masculine gender. Grandfather is a masculine gender. Then grandmother. Grandmother is a feminine gender. Grandmother is a feminine gender. Right? So I hope you clearly understand masculine and feminine gender. but still let me show you some more examples so you can understand it properly. The example of animals: bull and cow. Bull comes under masculine gender. Bull comes under masculine gender, where cow comes under feminine gender. Cow comes under feminine gender. Bull is a masculine gender. Cow is a feminine gender. Let's see the next. Master. Master is a masculine gender. Mistress is a feminine gender. Master is a masculine gender. Mistress is a feminine gender. Right? Understood? Master means he. So it is a masculine gender, and mistress is a feminine gender. Here, gentleman. Gentleman is a masculine gender. Gentleman is a masculine gender, where lady is a feminine gender. Lady is a feminine gender. Masculine gender, gentleman, means he, and feminine gender, lady, means she. So now, let's go to common gender and neuter gender. Let me explain you another two types of gender, that is common gender and neuter gender. Here some examples are given: castle, ball, garden, table. But how can we divide it in a common gender and a neuter gender? Let me explain you. See, common gender. First we will start with a common gender. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. Let's see examples. Doctor. So doctor can be a girl or a boy, right? Doctor. Doctor can be a girl or a boy. Then visitor. Visitor also can be a boy or a girl. Visitor also can be a boy or a girl. Then cousin. Cousin also can be a boy or a girl. Then relative. Relative also can be a boy or a girl. Then nurse. Nurse also can be a girl or a boy. Then friend. Friend also can be a boy or a girl. Then manager. Manager also can be a girl or a boy. Then singer. Singer also can be a girl or a boy. And in spite of this, there are lots of examples, if you can see around you, that is common. For example, parent. So parent can be a boy or a girl, mother and father, right? Then engineer. Engineer can also be girl or a boy. Then teacher. Teacher can also be a girl or a boy. So that is called common noun, common gender. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. Okay, so now let's move to the neuter gender. Neuter refers to names of things or objects. Easy trick to identify the neuter gender is it is always a non-living thing. Neuter gender always is a non-living thing. What is it? Non-living thing. Refers to names of things or objects. Let me show you examples. Eraser, non-living thing. Shoes, non-living. Chocolate, non-living thing. Car, non-living thing. Desk, non-living thing. Bus, non-living thing. book, non-living thing. Pants, non-living thing. So my dear students, you can identify the things which are around you which comes under a neuter gender. For example, you are watching a TV right now. So TV is a neuter gender because it is a non-living thing. Then suppose you are watching in your mobile phone. So mobile phone is a non-living thing. So it comes under a neuter gender. Right now I am using mouse, a computer mouse. So it is a non-living thing. So it also comes under a neuter gender. If I am using a headphone now, so headphone is a non-living thing. So it comes under a neuter gender. So let's revise this both topic again so you can understand it clearly. First is common. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. Common refers to names of both girls and boys. For example, doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer. Then neuter gender. Neuter refers to names of things and objects, and I told you a easy trick to find out the neuter gender, that is non-living thing. All the non-living things comes under the topic of neuter gender, that is eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants. And other things which are non-living, you can find it around you, that also comes under a neuter gender. So now let's move to the next slide. See, the description of common gender. Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. These can be either male or female, like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousin, neighbor, etc. What is common gender? Here it is described briefly, so you can understand it easily. What is common gender? Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. What is common gender? Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. This can be either male or female, like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousin, neighbor, etc. What is the common gender? Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. This can be either male or female, like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousin, neighbor, etc. Let me show you example. See here. Common gender nouns are nouns that are used for both males and females. Common gender nouns are nouns that are used for both males and females. See here, friend. Friend can be a male and a female. Then parent. Parent can be a male or female. See here. Parent can be a male or female. Let me explain you again. Common gender nouns are nouns that are used for both males and females. Let's move to the next slide. Next topic is neuter gender. On neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. On neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. These are neither male nor female. These are neither male nor female, like book, table, pen, gold, school, and rock. Let's see again these examples. These are neither male nor female, like book, table, pen, gold, school, and rock. These are usually non-living things. You can see here calculator, apple, a hat, mathematical instruments, all the things I have put here. See, all the non-living things, right? You can see here. So, on neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. These are neither male nor female, like book, table, pen, gold, school, and rock. These are usually non-living things. What is this? These are usually non-living things. So I hope you all understand what is neuter gender. So now let's read together. You all will read with me. Okay? Let's start. On neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. These are neither male nor female, like book, table, pen, gold, school, and rock. These are usually non-living things. What are these? These are usually non-living things. Let me show you some examples. See here. Neuter gendered nouns are words for things that are not alive, means which is not alive, which is a non-living thing. Neuter gender nouns are words for things that are not alive. Table, see, non-living thing. Then book, non-living thing. Lorry or a truck, non-living thing. Then ring is also a non-living thing. So, these are the examples of neuter gender. Right? So, let's move to the next slide. See, some more examples of neuter gender. Chair. Chair is a non-living thing. Then table. Table is also a non-living thing. Mobile. Mobile is also a non-living thing. Then book. Books are also non-living thing. Almari or cupboard is also a non-living thing. Then chain. Chain is also a non-living thing. Then here are some examples of masculine, feminine and neuter. So easily you can identify that all the living things comes under masculine, feminine or a common gender, and all the non-living things comes under a neuter gender. See, boy, man, father and son, grandfather, king. So here feminine genders are given. Boy, girl, man, woman, father and son, mother and daughter, grandfather, grandmother, king, queen. Right? So all these are masculine gender and these are feminine gender. Then let's move to the neuter gender. All the non-living things. Car, table, boat, tree, house. All these things comes under neuter gender. So my dear students, I hope you all understood the 4 types of genders. How many types of genders are there? 4. Masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. Okay. So, if you are having any doubt, please message me in my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your surroundings, and study well at home. Bye bye.